Hi, my name is Chelsea. I'm the photographer and videographer here at Mabel's Labels. But I have to share with you all about my favorite Mabel's Labels product as the mom of a really feisty, independent 2-year-old.
Papa's house and get no more. Go in.
These labels make my life so much easier, especially when we're trying to get out of the door and my daughter insists on doing everything herself. I'm sure many of you can relate to this. So my absolute favorite Mabel's Labels product is the preschool shoe labels. These labels are amazing because all your kids have to do is line up the picture to make a whole image, and then they know they have the shoes on the right feet. Because we all know how fun it is to have that battle of, honey, wrong feet, switch your shoes, honey, you have them on the wrong feet. This could be like the next 10 minutes of your life before trying to get out of the door, simply trying to just get your toddler to switch their shoes around. And heaven forbid you help them, because we all know how much they like being helped at this age, especially the really independent ones. So I love these labels because I can just hand my daughter her shoes and she can independently match the picture up and put her shoes on the right feet every time. It's awesome.
Labels is labels. And the shoes.